Raila Odinga, the graduation chief guest and speaker. Honorable Gideon Moi, Chairman, Kabarak University Board of Trustees, members of the University Board of Trustees, Dr. John Kibosia, Chairman, University Governing Council, Professor Henry Langard, Vice Chancellor and Secretary to the University Governing Council, members of the University Governing Council, Vice Chancellors and representatives from various universities, members of the University Management Board, the University Senate, members of academic staff, administrative and support staff, alumni members, graduating class of 2024, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. With great pride and honor, I'm delighted to preside over the 20th congregation of Kabarak University. Today we are celebrating the graduation of 2,541 qualified young men and women. The day marks an important milestone in your life. Today you are transitioning from being university students to being university graduates. What does it mean to be a university graduate? A university graduate is a mature, honest, and honorable professional with the capacity and the passion to contribute to the development of the society. Our dear graduates, I have no doubt that you will meet this expectation and that you will conduct yourselves honorably and enjoy the privileges that come with your new status. Our esteemed graduates, your graduation today has not come easily. You have spent countless hours of rigorous study to satisfy the minimum requirements set by the University Senate. Your graduation today has also come at a great financial cost to your parents, guardians, and sponsors, and who are key players in our university support system. For those reasons, I congratulate and welcome you to the labor market. I'm glad you're ready and able to join us in the noble task of contributing to the growth and prosperity of our country and global economy. Today we are celebrating the milestone the university has made this year and the enduring values of this great institution. Today I'm going to go a little bit off script in the sense that mostly of what I was going to say has been said by our able Vice Chancellor and the Chairman of the Council. And today I think most of us, or majority of us, have come to hear our chief speaker and chief guest talk to us and address us. But it's important today that there is an announcement that I wanted to make, which is I personally find very important, and it's important to us as an institution, and that is the Board of Trustees. Further to celebrating our graduates, we're pleased to announce a historic milestone for our institution and a bold step towards a sustainable future. Today, we declare our commitment to install, educate, and impact, powering all of our learning institutions to environmental stewardship and our vision for a brighter future. By transitioning towards innovative and smart renewable energy, we are not only reducing our carbon footprints, but also setting deliberate standards of sustainable education in sub-Saharan Africa. Indeed, will be the institutions north of the Limpopo and south of the Sahara who will be doing this. We proudly claim our place among the leading academic institutions in this region to embark on such a groundbreaking initiative. This pioneering feat positions us at the forefront of the global movement towards renewable energy and sustainable development. By embracing innovative and smart renewable investments, we are not only speaking to SDG 7 solar power about ensuring access to clean and affordable energy, which is key to the development of agriculture, business, communication, education, healthcare, and transportation. Moreover, this move will empower our institution to operate independently of traditional power grids. Introduce our chief guest, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, with great humility. It is now my pleasure to introduce our chief guest and graduation speaker for the 20th congregation of Kabarak University. His Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga. In October 2016, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, was appointed African Union High Representative for Infrastructure Development in Africa, a position he held until February 2023. From 2008 to 2013, His Excellency the Right Honorable Odinga was the Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya. He had been a member of Parliament since 1992. Today, he leads one of Kenya's most prominent political parties, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. In February 2024, he announced his candidacy for the African Union Commission chairperson. Besides his career in politics, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga is also a successful entrepreneur, having founded the flagship family business, East Africa Spectra, a manufacturing of gas cylinders for Kenya and the East African region. Over the past 5 decades, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga, has dedicated his life and career in improving people's lives through service to Kenya, Africa, and the world. He is a peacemaker, a mediator in African and global conflicts. In the 1990s, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga, worked closely with the International Republican Institute to broker peace in Mozambique and Burundi. In February 2011, he was appointed Special Peace Envoy of the African Union following the post-election crisis in Côte d'Ivoire. He also served as an elected observer in several countries, including Nigeria and Zimbabwe. His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga, is a global statesman and a Pan-Africanist who believes in an African continent that holds the key to a prosperous global future and its immense natural and human resources. He promotes African sovereignty, economic prosperity, independence, stability, and security. His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga, also champions African integration through infrastructure, commerce, and the free movement of Africans across borders, as well as an advocate for African geopolitical interests, values, and Ubuntu. He is a political visionary, entrepreneur, organizational and institutional mobilizer, author, and thought leader. His Excellency, the Right Honorable Odinga, has represented Africa at various international forums and summits and articulated African perspectives on multiple issues, including trade, development, climate change, peace, and security. His participation in these global events has helped us amplify Africans' voices and concerns in the international stage. His Excellency the Right Honorable Odinga has received honors and recognitions for his various roles, including an honorary doctorate of letters from the University of Nairobi for restoring peace to Kenya during